guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I want to share with you guys how to get plumper looking lips naturally using beetroot. Yes, you heard me right. I'm going to be sharing with you 2 DIY recipes, and guys, these recipes I have absolutely loved using. My mom has loved, everybody, whoever I have shared this recipe with, they seem to love it. And there's a simple reason why it's really effective. So I'm going to share 2 recipes. Like I said, one is a lip mask which you can apply like 1, 2, 3 times a week. Even if you apply it every day, it's okay, but itna time honestly kiske paas hai to every day apply a lip mask. Okay, and it's a wash off lip mask, so ye aapko dhona padega. And that's the first thing I'm going to show you. And second is a lip and not cheek, it's a lip tint. And you can see my lips, they still have the natural pink color thanks to the 2 beetroot lip products I'm going to share with you right now. So let's not waste any more time and let me show you how to make both the lip mask and the lip tint with beetroot. So guys, the first thing I'm doing is I am going to peel the beetroot. So here I have taken a raw beetroot which I have washed, and now I'm just going to peel it. Once you have done that, you then want to take this grater and just grate your beetroot. Guys, remember I have taken a raw beetroot, so you don't have to cook it or anything and then take it. It has to be raw, and then you have to grate it. Also guys, if you want, you can use your blender. If you want to grind the beetroot also to extract the juice, it's fine. Okay, now once you have it, which I had it here now, you just want to add in some water. Now why are we adding water? Because beetroot is water soluble, so all the juices that we want from the beetroot, they will get mixed in with the water and wo hum extract kar payenge, which is why we are doing that. As you can see, the water has already turned red, which is a good sign. Now after that, here's what you are going to do. You want to take any cloth, any muslin cloth. Here I have taken my hanky which I use every day to, when I'm making juices, and it is yellow because in my juices I actually have turmeric every single day. So what you want to do at this point is just take that napkin and squeeze out the water. So you get your beetroot pulp separated from the water, and this is what it looks like. And now we can actually start making our recipes, and let's get started. Let's start with our first lip mask, and I'm taking in 2 spoons of beetroot juice, and to that I'm adding in 1 spoon of milk. You can actually also add in a curd or some malai or cream, but I didn't have that, so I just ended up using milk. And then the last thing we are going to use is besan, so that it sort of becomes a little thicker. And then you just have to nicely mix it and make it a paste which can be applied on your lips. And guys, this is going to make your lips so soft. I recommend you do this once or at least 2 times a week. You don't have to do it every single day, obviously. Even if you do it will not hurt your lips because it is very, very gentle. Okay, so now I am just going to take the same paste that we made. It has been sitting for like I think 5 minutes. I put that in the fridge so it just gets cool, and applying anything cool on your face or lips is always a good idea. Not downright cold, but yeah, just cool is good. And once you apply it, you're going to look a little funny for some time, but that's fine. Let it just stay, and after 5 minutes you will see it sort of becomes thick and hard on your lips, and then you just have to go wash it, and this is how your lips are going to look, naturally tinted and soft. Now let me show you how to make a natural lip tint, and for that we are going to be using honey. I'm using a small spoon of honey, and in that I'm going to be adding 2 larger spoons of the beetroot juice and just mix it. And guys, honey is going to make sure that our lips remain soft because honey is a humectant which will attract the moisture from the atmosphere and put that on your lips, making sure your lips stay hydrated. Okay, so all I have done is just mixed it, kept in the fridge again for 5 minutes to cool down, and then you have to apply it. And guys, when you apply it, you will understand it tastes so sweet, which is always a fun thing to apply, and that is how your lips will look, naturally tinted, beautiful and soft. I hope you guys have enjoyed the video. I hope you have enjoyed both the products. Guys, please try making them. It is really effective, really useful, and yeah, I absolutely love to apply it. In fact, even if you apply thoda sa just the beetroot, like the raw beetroot on your cheeks, that tint stays as well. Trust me, try it out. Okay, and yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you do, let me know by subscribing to my YouTube channel, by liking the video, and let me know in the comments what other videos would you like me to make and for you to watch. So yeah, I'll see you very soon in my next video. Bye bye.